Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be playing in this gorgeous color number 4 with the blonde hairlights lace wig from our friends over at Westkiss. Now they sent this over in a length 22 inches with 180% density, and as you guys can see by little quick intro, I slayed this wig. So in your box you'll get an elastic band, mink lashes, you'll also get this nice dust bag, your wig caps, and of course your actual wig. Now if I didn't mention, she's 22 inches in length and she's 13 by 4 as far as the lace goes. This is the gorgeous curl pattern she came with. As I mentioned, she is a really nice color 4. The lace is really nice. Whenever you have a lighter color wig cap and you can see that wig cap through, that usually means that they've done a great job at plucking, and the lace is awesome and all of that. So we're definitely going to do something about that in just a moment, but for now I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looks like straight out of the box. So this one is a free part lace wig, and usually that means it doesn't come pre-parted, so you can choose where you want to part it. Now normally I like to prep the wig as much as I can before actually cutting off the lace and bonding. This just makes for a smoother and easier install after you go ahead and bond it down. So really right now all I really want to do is press out the roots and make sure that it is flat and flush as possible. There are quite a bit of flyaways in the crown of this wig, so I used my Carry Carrot wax stick to go ahead and lay everything down and kind of like brush and work that in so that there's no lumps or craziness. And then I kind of set that in with the flat iron. It does seem like a lot of steps, but trust the process. You want to look like you are fresh out of the salon and you paid good money. You don't want to look like you did your own hair. So here I am tinting my lace. I use a nice lace tint that is also an airbrush for legs. I'll have that and everything else linked down below. Now I went ahead and let that lace tint set in and dry. You want to make sure your lace is dry before your install. And I'm going to go ahead and put a bronzer all over my wig cap to make it blend as close as possible to my skin tone. And then we are ready to apply our lace. For today, I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray, probably the quickest and easiest way to install a wig. You will have to apply this almost daily. You can probably get away with every 2 or 3 days, but this is not going to be a permanent solution like a ghost bond or something like that. I love using styling strips or a scarf to lay my wigs. And as you guys see how flat the wig is already, that, not styling strips, but the scarf does an amazing job of helping to lay everything down and make everything smooth. Probably one of the oldest tricks in the book. Put on a scarf and everything will be better. So I did go ahead and trim down the hairline or the baby hair off camera, and I'm just using a little bit of foam lotion to go ahead and create baby hair. If you don't want baby hair, that is absolutely fine. This is a part where you are definitely free to customize and do your wig exactly how you want it. So if this is not your taste, it definitely is okay to go ahead and just, slick it back, brush it back the way you would like, and move on to the next step. So now we're going to go ahead and curl the wig all over. I wanted to add face framing bangs, especially because it has this really nice blonde highlights in the front. I thought they would be perfect to go ahead and cut them a little bit shorter and then curl away from my face all over on each side to get the perfect bombshell, super sexy curls, perfect for the summer. Now the curling iron I have here is listed down below. I believe it's a 1.5 inch or a 1/4. I'll have the specifications down below as I said before, and everything else I used as well. Now in this process I did not use any product. I just went ahead and combed it out and just did section by section. I definitely did large sections. You can do smaller sections and use a little bit of a holding spray for a longer hold. Also, if you want to go ahead and sleep on this, I would definitely recommend flexi rods to go ahead and make the style last for a few days. I'm going to also cut the other side, of course, for the bangs, and I only cut the front for the bangs. I didn't cut anything else. After the fact, I am going to use a holding spray and a little bit of a shine spray. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm trying to crank out a ton for you guys. Wig sale is coming up next week, so make sure that you have your post notifications turned on, because I will be notifying you here on YouTube exclusively about the wig sale. So make sure you are subscribed, your notifications are turned on, so as soon as the information comes up, you guys will be ready to shop. Okay, so I am completely done with this look. All I did was I just went ahead and put some curls in it. And of course I had to go ahead and beat my face just because, you know, I'm going to do some slow-mos and some pictures and some Instagram promo after this. But I absolutely love the color of this wig. All of the details on this wig are linked in the description bar. This color here is amazing. Of course I had to go in and add a little bit of layer to kind of give you a little bit of face framing bangs around here. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of a holding spray. And then I'll just let that set. This one came from Westkiss. You guys know I absolutely love working with this company. They did ship via FedEx and I got it in about 2 or 3 business days. I've been working with this company for years, as you guys already know, so you guys know I love the quality of their hair. It always lasts a good while for me and it always just installs easy and all of that. Now my only complaint or issue I had with this wig is that it was a little bit too big for me. My head is about a size 21, 21 and a half. So normally I opt for a small. I believe this is a medium or a large. Again, I'll have all those details in the description bar. So this is one that I definitely would add an elastic band to, just because if I do not feel like bonding the wig down for the day, it will be way too big just to fit me. But again, that's all about size, so make sure that whenever you purchase, you go ahead and you measure your head and know your size before you purchase. That way you can know which wig you need. Like for some... So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys love this fun color and the curls that I added to it. It did come with curls, but of course you guys know how to go ahead and touch it up. The curling iron that I use and everything that I use in this video are linked in the description bar, so make sure you guys check that out, as well as a link to the wig itself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends, like, turn on your post notifications so you'll never miss a video from me. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.